Let us start questions answers. Open your computer science book, lesson 3. The first define the following. Start menu. What is start menu? You already know. That is it is used to access programs and the computer settings. So this is the start button. When we click on this start button, this start menu appears. This is called as start menu. So this is your first answer. Next, wallpaper. You can see this this is called as wallpaper. The background of the desktop, it is called as wallpaper. So the background image that appears on your desktop is called as wallpaper. Third one is theme. What is theme? Theme is a collection of background colors, font size, and different effects of the desktop and other items present on it. I can show you when we right click on the desktop and go to the personalize option, then this option will come called as themes. In this theme, we can select whatever the available themes out of this. Suppose this is Windows 10 is currently selected. If I go for the flowers, then flowers, they have the different background, different font styles. So this is called as themes. So write the answer about the theme. A theme or a desktop theme is used to change the color schemes, font size, and the effects of desktop and other items present on it. Then the short answer questions. What are the features of Windows 10? So Windows 10, it is an operating system that is developed by Microsoft company, and it is a GUI based, means graphical user interface. It is very user friendly and it is the latest version of Windows. So the features of Windows 10 are: first one, as the operating system controls overall activities of the computer. So first feature is it controls the overall activities of computer as well as the operation of each and every part of it. Next feature, it manages data and instructions in memory. Next, what does the start menu contain? So you can see here when I click on start button, start menu appears, the left part and this is the right part. In the left part, all the applications installed, they are showing, and on the right side, the tiles it is there. These are called as tiles. Okay, so this is about the start menu. Next, name the ways to switch between different running apps. So first way is switching app using taskbar. So here is the taskbar. So this is the switching. Whatever application you want, just click on it. Next is switching app using the task view. This is called as task view. This is called as task view. You can also switch between running apps by using this task view. So these are the two ways. Next, name the different ways to set the positioning of wallpaper on the desktop. So total 5 are there. Fill, fit, stretch, tile and center. Let me show you. This is background. When we click on the background option, just go to the picture option using this background. Just click on picture. Then see there are options. Choose a fit, that is called fill. So the picture is coming whole screen. Next are tile option. Let's see the tile option what it will do. So the images are tiled, means the images are repeatedly appears on the desktop. Then center option is there. The image comes on the center place. You can see here in this way. So there are different ways of arranging the wallpaper on the desktop. Total 5 ways are there. Fill, fit, stretch, style, and center. Next question, what is the need of locking your computer? To enhance the security of our computer whenever we leave our computer desk. So we should lock our computer to protect our files. So just go to the start menu. There is a user profile icon. This is called as user profile icon. Click on it. There is option called lock. So whenever you are leaving the computer and you are not turning off the computer just for leaving 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes and you want to protect your computer, then you should go lock option. Then last one, application based question. Let me read the question. While making a project in Word, Rahul needs to open this app frequently. He always uses steps, start, scroll the list of apps, Microsoft Word to open the app, which is time consuming. Really, when I go to the start button, then I'm searching the app for MS Word, it will take time, always. Okay, so what we can do, the easiest way to open the app is type the name of app in the search box. So when this is the search box, can you see this? This is the in the start menu only. This is the search box. So you here you can type word. Then the icon will come. Just click on it. Or the other method, you can just right click on this app and there is an option called pin to start. Pin to start or pin to taskbar also. When you click on this option, so next time the word option, it will come on the taskbar only. So in this way, we can create a shortcut and it is the easiest way to open the app. Okay. So this is all about the question answers of the chapter number 3, that is Windows customizing and personalizing. Thank you.